Here's my car. That's my keys. Okay, this is how we're plowing snow today. I only got about 18 to 19 inches of snow. This was all cleared out yesterday by that big hill there. That big pile was what was sitting in the driveway. And as you can see, we've even got more snow now. Clear off the window. Okay, like I was saying, that big drift and that big pile over there, that was what we started with yesterday. And this is still what we have in the front. And if I remember, I'll add a picture of what the car looked like before I cleaned it off. And the beginning part of the video, you'll see what the car looked like this morning, a big block of ice. Yeah, the temperature on my car here says it's 16 degrees, but it is a lot colder than that because I just killed a battery off. And now this battery is about to euchre itself too, so I'll have to cut this again and add in more later. Okay. Well, I don't know if you can see it up there or not. Let's turn the wipers on real quick. That up there is where I was parked. And as you can see, there's just too much snow everywhere, even on the hood of my car, and that's what I cleaned off this morning. As you can tell, it's quite a mess out here. Whew. Yeah, that snow pile just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So that tractor's probably, that roll bar on the top is maybe about 7 feet at the height, maybe not quite 7 feet. And that snow pile, I'd say, is almost to the top of it. The bucket can't even lift high enough to put the snow up there. Keep having to turn the wipers on because the snow keeps sticking to it, to the windshield. I also figured out why my camera was killing battery so fast. I had it in the wrong mode. But yeah, you can see out through here, all that snow right through there, pine trees, and you know where that truck was parked. It was pretty deep through there too. Hopefully that's coming across pretty clear. It's a lot of white. I should have brought the tripod and put it on the dash. There's the propane tank. It's pretty well shot, full of snow. The neighbor's house over there. And then we still got a big driveway. It's a little hard to see, but there's a driveway just between this tree here. But yeah, definitely got a bit of snow. Got a bit of snow. So now I don't look near as bad. I'm going to hold this so I can get a better shot. turn the fan down. Yeah, my temperature in here says it's 16 degrees outside, but I know that's not right. So much snow. Up on the roof. I'd say there's almost 2 feet up there, almost. I'm gonna have to get up there and clean that down. The chimney spot's about where it's the least amount from the chimney, heating the roof up. Yeah. I'd say probably in the last 10 years this is the most snow we've seen around here. Well, I'm gonna stop the video here and I'll film when it's done.